Hey, what's up, everybody? Today I'm going to talk about Bitcoin Syndicate, which is 50% off. So before we get started, if you're not subscribed to the channel, kindly hit the subscribe button, turn on post notification, and leave a thumbs up for this video. And before we get started on every video, I challenge you to the world largest keto challenge. So what is keto challenge about? It's basically a health supplementary diet which can help you improve your health and stuff like this. So if you're interested, just click on the links down below, and after that it's gonna bring you to this page and just tap on the video and you understand what can ketos do for you. And of course, before you get started, there's a giveaway that crypto.com is doing on their Twitter page. So if you are not subscribed to their Twitter or follow to their Twitter, just follow them, and after that turn on their post notification, and after that basically every time they do something you'll be notified, and from there basically sometimes they'll do some giveaway and stuff like this. So over here on this tweet itself, on the 8th of September is your chance, and after that basically there's a syndicate going on which they have allocated $2 million worth of USD for the day for the syndicate. So basically you can get Bitcoin at 50% off on the 8th of September. So if you're interested, just follow their Twitter, and after that for a chance to win $500 of Bitcoin, retweet like this tweet, and after that follow them. So basically it's just a simple step, and you will win and one person will win $500 worth of Bitcoin for totally free just by doing this. So you may be a lucky winner, so good luck. And after that, over here the syndicate. So if you are not sure about the crypto.com, if you are in the crypto.com and ecosystem, and you are using their, let's say, their debit card or crypto earn or crypto invest feature, and you do not really know what is the exchange about, so basically on the exchange itself there is promotion ongoing, like the syndicate and stuff like this. So how does it work and stuff, I'm going to explain to you in the video. And after that over here 21 more days and the syndicate is going to happen. And I would say this syndicate of Bitcoin 50% off definitely is going to be very overly subscribed. So yeah, I'm going to talk about what is overly subscribed. So over here on the FAQ, the Bitcoin 50% off special event on the syndicate. So there's a the total supply of this syndicate is 2 million worth of Bitcoin, and after that the rate is 50% discount. So basically right now the price of Bitcoin, you can see you do a moment. So basically over here the price of Bitcoin is at 12,157. So basically if the price of today's the price of Bitcoin on today 17th of August towards the 8th of September, if the price stays the same, or let's say the price goes up or what, they are gonna basically calculate again. And after that over here you can get it at 50% off. So basically you're paying around $6,000 per Bitcoin. And after that it seems very exciting. So I'm gonna talk about how can you take part. So basically how do you take part in this Bitcoin special event on the syndicate. So you need to sign up on a crypto.com exchange user. So basically there's a step-by-step guide over here on how can you get started and stuff like this. So it's not, it doesn't exist. So basically I'm gonna explain to you how you sign up. So if you are not signed up as a crypto.com user, you can sign up on the application itself, links down below, just sign up. And of course there's a free $50 worth of CRO to grab if you are interested in their debit card, because their debit card the feature is very good, I would say. And after that you just need to lock up 1,000 worth of CRO and you get the minimum tier. And once you do that, you'll receive the $50 worth of CRO for free just by signing up and locking up. And of course using the getting the card, if your country does not have it, just wait and they are going to issue the card towards many more nations. And after that over here, so once you sign up, you just basically head over to the exchange itself. So the exchange is going to look something like this. You will need to log in, so you just log in, you just click on sign up or log in, and after that it's going to prompt you, are you an existing user on the crypto.com app. So you just, if you have an account, just click on yes and link your account, and from there you can send funds onto the exchange or onto your application swiftly just by doing that without any transaction fee. So that's a good thing. And after that over here we're going to talk about this on the syndicate itself. So how do you go to the step 2? So you need to stake at least $5,000 CRO in the crypto.com exchange account. So there's a guide as well, so you don't know it's working or something like this. Yep, so over here it's working. So I'm gonna link this article down below. Just click on the links that is provided, and after that learn and step by step. And after that over here, so you just need to log in, navigate to your profile, and after that the step is over there. And yeah, basically 5,000 CRO is gonna give you an interest rate of 20%, and after that you are able to basically join the syndicate. So $5,000, 5,000 CRO stake, you are able to join the syndicate. And after that, there's also another terms and condition, which is number 3. So you need to trade at least $5,000 worth of USD on the crypto exchange in the past 30 days. So within that 1 month. So from today, you can start trading till 8th of August. And after that, it's gonna be used to determine your eligibility. So let's say if you want to stake more, so basically if you stake more CRO over here, so that's the tier. So if you stake more, you are able to have a larger entry onto the crypto.com syndicate of Bitcoin. So over here, over here there's an example. So if you trade if you have 5,000 CRO stake and you trade more than 5,000 USD, your maximum allocation in CRO is 500 USD. And after that, if you stake more, and over here the trading volume is all the same, so 5,000 for everything. And after that, the more CRO you stake, the more you are able to allocate your CRO in. So basically over here, let's say you have 10,000 worth stake, and after that you are able to basically get a maximum allocation of 1,000 USD onto the Bitcoin event, 50% off. So this is the two important steps is you need to have CRO stake on the exchange, and after that need to have at least $5,000 worth of trading volume. And you're good to go to join on the syndicate. And if you are a citizen in the United States, China, or Hong Kong, you are not able to take part in this syndicate. So that's a bit of that's it. But if you're interested, just sign up. And after that, from here, it's a 1-day event only. So when can you take part in the event? So as stated on the timeline, subscription will begin at the 8th of September at 6 a.m. UTC, and it's gonna last for 24 hours. And after that, once it's over, you're not able to join, get your allocation and stuff like this. And after that, it's gonna be calculated. It's gonna take around a day to get calculated. And after that, once the final allocation has been issued to you, you will need to either accept it or reject it. And after that, if within 24 hours you do not take any action on your allocation, it's gonna be rejected automatically after 24 hours. So that's the end of this video talking about BTC 50% off special event on the syndicate. So if you're interested, just use the exchange. And basically other than the Bitcoin syndicate, there's a basic attention token syndicate that's going on, which is the same terms and condition. So I already explained to you what is it, and after that the allocation is the same. Therefore, if you're interested, just sign up, and after that read more about it, and I'm gonna link everything down below. And after that, you can see this is gonna be the page that for the Bitcoin allocation it's gonna look like. And after that, you can see the live price, and after that how much is going to be discounted on in USD and CRO. So you want to take part in the syndicate. For one part that I've not mentioned is if you want to take part in the syndicate, you will need to use CRO to buy into this syndicate. So basically over here you are able to use $500 worth of USD, which is equivalent to 3,000 CRO. So you are able to use this max allocation. So you need to have 3,000 CRO plus minus. It is equivalent depending on the price of CRO as well. And after that, you need to have 3,000 CRO to get the maximum allocation. And after that, from there, you can see the more CRO you stake, the bigger your bet allocation will be. And after that, if you, cause it is not a guaranteed position that you will fully execute this to fight, you will receive this $500 worth of bet discounted for you, because there is something called overly subscribed. So over here there's undersubscribed and 100% subscribed and oversubscribed. And after that, once it is oversubscribed, this is the formula they're gonna do, and after that you can read more about it. So you will get refund on the subscription if it is overly subscribed and stuff like this. And after that, determining your final allocation. So once you already put in your CRO, 24 hours after the subscription period ends, 24 hours is gonna calculate, and after that after the 24 hours you will be able to accept or reject this allocation. So good luck, have fun, and after that, if you're interested, just sign up, and after that it's going to benefit you as well. So that's the end of this video. So if you like the video, leave a thumbs up to this video, subscribe to the channel, and of course share with your friends and family, and hit the post notification icon to receive the next video that I'm going to do. So see you on the next one. Peace.